The signs are here. Time is near. Major events signaling the day of judgment are unfolding right before our eyes. Have you noticed them? The emergence of Dajjal, the Antichrist. The first of the major signs is the emergence of the Dajjal, the false Messiah, also known as the Antichrist. He will come at a time when the world is filled with injustice and suffering. With miraculous powers, he will deceive many, claiming to be divine. But his true nature will soon be revealed, and those who remain faithful to Allah will recognize his deceit. The return of Isa, Jesus, son of Mary. Following the appearance of the Dajjal, Isa, the son of Mary, will descend from the heavens. He will return to restore justice, defeat the Dajjal, and bring an era of peace. His return is one of the pivotal moments that signal the nearing of the final hour. For those who believe, this moment will be one of hope, but also a reminder of the reckoning that is soon to follow. The appearance of Ya'juj and Ma'juj, Gog and Magog. Another sign is the emergence of Ya'juj and Ma'juj, also known as Gog and Magog. These destructive forces will break through their barrier and wreak havoc on the earth. Their presence will cause immense suffering, leaving nothing but chaos and destruction in their wake. The rising of the sun from the west. When the sun rises from the west, it will be a moment of great terror. This unnatural event will signal that the gates of repentance are closed. After this, no soul can turn back and seek forgiveness. This is a warning for mankind, a call to reflect and prepare for the day when time itself will cease to exist as we know it. The smoke, ad-duhan, a thick smoke, ad-duhan, will envelop the entire earth. It will cause immense suffering, creating a suffocating environment where people struggle to breathe. This smoke will be a divine punishment and a sign that the end is approaching, reminding humanity of the consequences of their actions. The beast of the earth, Dabbat al-Ard, a beast, known as Dabbat al-Ard, will emerge from the earth. This creature will mark the disbelievers and speak to them, challenging their lack of faith. Its appearance will be undeniable, and it will serve as a final warning to those who have ignored the signs of Allah. The Great Fire in the Arabian Peninsula. A massive fire will erupt in the Arabian Peninsula. This fire will drive people from their homes, forcing them to move toward their final destination. It will be one of the last great signs, and its presence will serve as a stark reminder of the inevitable end that is drawing closer with every passing moment. 3 major earthquakes. The earth will be struck by 3 major earthquakes. One in the east, one in the west, and one in the Arabian Peninsula. These quakes will shake the foundations of the world, splitting the ground and causing mass destruction. No place will be left untouched. The final trumpet, the sound of the trumpet, and then, the trumpet will be blown. The sound will be so loud and piercing that it will signal the end of everything. All life will cease, and the entire universe will be obliterated. Are we ready? The signs are clear. The day of judgment is not a distant future but a reality that is closer than we think. These signs have already begun unfolding, and it's up to us to reflect on our lives and make the necessary changes before it's too late. Are we ready for what's to come? Like and subscribe for more eye-opening videos.